So, good day everyone. I'm here to present the quality control and standard in the food industry. So, food quality control is a mandatory regulatory activities of enforcement by national, international, or local authorities to provide consumer protection and I ensure that all food production during production, handling, storage, processing, and distribution are safe, wholesome, and fit for human consumption. At the end, at the same time, it must conform to safety, fulfill quality requirements, and are most and accurately labeled as per the standard specification prescribed in food laws. So, what is quality? It is the degree to which a set of inherent characteristics fulfill requirements. Fitness for use. Quality is an excellence that is better than minimum standard. Conformance to requirements. The ability of product or service to satisfy. So, quality control or QC is an evaluation of the final product prior to its marketing. It is based on quality check at the end of the production chain, aiming and assigning the final product to quality categories such as high quality, regular quality, low quality, and not marketable. Since at the end of the production chain, there is no way to correct the product failures or upgrade the quality of the final product. So the low quality product can only be sold at lower price and the non-marketable product have to be discarded. Quality assurance or QA plan and systematic activities implemented within the quality system that can be demonstrated to provide confidence that a product or service while fulfilling requirements for quality. Quality assurance is a system for evaluating performance, service of the quality of the product against system, standard or specific requirements for customers, plan activities or systematic approach to provide adequate confidence or product of service. Global standard and regulatory frameworks are harmonized. International rules and accuracy are designed to ensure consistency, safety, and quality across borders in the areas like technology, finance, and sustainability. These frameworks facilitate trades and manage risk by providing a often mandatory technical backbone for compliance. The big three standards. So the big three is HACCP, ISO 22000, and Codex Alimentarius. First is the HACCP or Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Point, a systematic preventive approach to food safety from biological, chemical, and physical hazard. The next one is the ISO 22000, an international standard that combines HACCP with management principles to ensure food safety throughout the supply chain. Last one is the Codex Alimentarius, a collective of internationally recognized standard codes of practice and guidelines maintained by the FAO and the World Health Organization. So the pillars of food quality control. First is the raw materials inspection, quality start at the receiving dock, supplier certification ensuring vendors meet safety criteria, sensory evaluation, initial check for color, odor, and texture, chemical analysis, testing for pesticides, heavy metal or heavy or mycotoxins. Next is the process control, monitoring the environment and machinery during production. GMP or good manufacturing practices, basic operational conditions like hygiene, pest control, equipment maintenance. Sanitation Standard Operation Procedure or SSOP, specific procedure for cleaning and disinfecting surface. Last is the end product testing. So microbiological testing, screening for pathogens like Salmonella, E. coli, and Listeria. Physical check, using the metal detector and X-ray machine to identify foreign objects like glass, metal, and plastic. So comparison between quality assurance and quality control. First is the quality assurance or QA. It is proactive, prevent defect before they happen, develop a hygiene training manual, audit SOPs, process design. So quality assurance kay wa pa na buhat ang product, wa pa na pagibuhat kay naanay prevention o practice of mga hygiene sa mga nagtatrabaho. Next is the quality control, reactive, identify effect in the final product, testing a batch of meat for bacteria, inspection, lab testing, and sampling. So quality control kay adisir pa siya mo mabuhat kung ang product ay nahuman na kaya para matest kung ano siya ka-good na product, kung pwede ba siya i-market or i-discard ba siya. So dire magamit ang mga laboratories kung unsa ang taste ag quality niya. Next is the emerging trends in food standard. Blockchain traceability, internationally tracking a product journey from the specific farm to a supermarket consumers. AI sorting, a high-speed camera using machine learning to eject bruise or underside produce automatically. Allergies control, enhanced sensitivity in testing for trace or nuts, gluten, or soy to protect vulnerable consumers. So last is the conclusion. So quality control standards are the bedrock of the foods industry. By integrating HACCP principle with statistical analysis and rigorous auditing, manufacturing can ensure that quality is a built-in feature of every bite rather than after beginning. You can inspect quality into product. You must build the process correctly from the very beginning. So quality control mo ay hatag sa tuwa og quality foods nga atong gi-consume. So sila i-prevent sa mga pangit nga mga product ug sila maintain sa atong mga gi-consume nga food nga eatable siya og lami ag taste ug dili maotro ag mga product nga naa sa market. So that's all. Thank you.